You waited several weeks and paid a few $100s for this prototype, only to open the books and find this. Hey, I'm Wendy from 3EPE, and we call this a $1 billion stretch. International shipping is a virgin. If your supplier chips out on package, your perfect part will destroy each other in transit. At 3EPE, we believe the perfect machining means absolutely nothing if it doesn't arrive safely. Let me show you exactly how we pack your part to survive the journey. Step 1. The white glove treatment. After final QC, your parts are clean and never touched by bare hands again. Step 2. Zinc EPE foam. We wrap each individual part in zinc EPE foam, guaranteeing absolutely no damage or collision during transit. Finally, place the part into a carton and seal it. But logistics company doesn't care about our beautiful package, so let's do a real-world job test. Sorry couriers, we love you, but sometimes you play football with our packages. The box took a beating, but what about the $1 million prototype inside? Let's find out. Flawless, not a single stretch, dent, or fingerprint. This is why top engineers choose 3EPE. We treat your part like a work of art. And bulletproof isn't an extra charge, it's our standard. Don't let bad package ruin your hard work. Send your field to us and we will deliver perfect parts safely to your door.